printer issues where the device keeps going offline usually indicate a communication problem between the computer and the printer. Whether you're using a USB, wireless, or network printer, here is how to fix the problem and get back printer online and working again. Sometimes, a simple issue like a loose cable or the printer being in sleep mode can be the root cause of why printer is offline. Make sure the printer is properly connected power source, turned on, and there are no warning lights like paper jam or out of ink. Well, if you're using a USB printer, make sure the USB cable is firmly connected to both the printer and your computer. Try a different USB port on your computer or even a different USB cable to rule out a faulty port or cable. If it's a Wi-Fi or network printer, check that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. Move the printer closer to your router to improve signal strength. In addition, power cycle both your printer and PC. Turn them off, unplug for 30 seconds, and restart. This can help reset temporary glitches. Next thing you need to ensure the printer isn't offline mode. To do this, press Windows key and select Settings. Go to Bluetooth and Devices, then Printer and Scanners option. Locate the printer and expand it. Scroll down and click on More Devices and Printer Settings. Right-click your printer and select See What's Printing. Here, click Printer in the menu bar and uncheck Use Printer Offline option. In addition, if unfinished tasks are pending, remove them from the list. Also select the option set as default printer option. The print spooler is a crucial background service that queues and manages print jobs. If it's frozen or corrupted, your printer may stop responding. Press Windows key +R, type services.msc. Press Enter or click OK to open Windows Service Console. Scroll down to locate the print spooler service, right-click it, and choose Restart from the menu. Well, if the print spooler service is not started, right-click and select Properties. Here, change the startup type to Automatic and start the service next to Service Status. Click Apply and OK to save changes, restart your PC, and check if the problem is solved. Windows 11 includes a built-in troubleshooter that can automatically detect and fix printer-related problems. Let's run the troubleshooter and let Windows automatically detect and fix the problem for you. Press Windows key and select Settings. Go to System, then select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Scroll to Printer and click Run. Select Yes to try automated steps to fix the problem. This will suggest basic steps like restart your device. Select No if yet your problem not solved. Now this will check the printer drivers or compatibility issues, print spooler service is running, clear stuck print jobs, and more. Once the troubleshooting process completes, restart your PC and check if the printer shows online. If you can't get the printer working yet, then there is a chance the printer driver is causing the issue. Old or corrupted drivers can prevent your printer from communicating properly with Windows 11. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Here, expand the Print Queues option, right-click on the printer causing problem and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to download latest driver update from Microsoft Server. If this didn't help, try reinstall the printer driver. To do this, right-click on Printer, select Uninstall Device option. When the confirmation dialog appears, click on Uninstall. Once done, reboot your computer. It automatically installs the basic printer driver. Alternatively, go to the printer manufacturer's website, HP, Canon, Epson, Brother, etc., and download the latest Windows 11 compatible driver for your model. Sometimes residual settings, stale drivers, or ghost ports can cause recurring offline issues. Re-adding the printer gives you a clean slate. Go to Settings, select Bluetooth and devices, then printers and scanners. Here locate and select the offline printer, then click Remove. Once the old printer removed, reboot your PC. Now again, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and devices and select Printers and Scanners option. Click Add Device and follow on-screen instructions to reinstall the printer again.